This Saturday we have a demo lecture for the CAT exam. So in case you want to attend my workshop, you can attend that this Saturday. Please call the number here. Or Monday we are launching a new program. So in case you want to join the complete program or you want to go for only books mock shortcut, just call the numbers here. Hi guys, yesterday I got this message from a student. Sir, what is the vaccination for the verbal section of the CAT exam? So I was like, very good. I'll pick it up in the next lecture. So I'll make a video on that. So I know the topic is thoda insensitive. We should not be talking about the vaccination, all this thing. But why we are thinking about the coronavirus vaccination here? It can be for polio. It can be for tetanus. It can be for any other injection you had. All our life we had injections. Now, if you want to relate it to corona and comment on this video, boss, it's totally your wish. I can't help it, but this is for my students to help them understand what is one easy way for improving the verbal section. Okay, now CAT have got 20 chapters, more than 20 chapters in fact. Logic have only 4 chapters, only 3 main areas: vocabulary, grammar, reading. Vocab, grammar, reading. 3 areas. RGV, I call them. RGV is not Ram Gopal Verma. RGV is reading, vocabulary and grammar. Now, if you pick up the past year paper, there are a lot of questions based on grammar, there are a lot of questions based on vocabulary, but they stopped coming in CAT exam in 2008. There is no question of vocabulary grammar since 2008 CAT exam. 2007-8 was a turning point. They stopped giving 0 question grammar, 0 question vocab. Then why my coaching classes is teaching me all these things? See, for foundation you need all these things. Okay, we also do that, but we will do that till May, June. Yeah, next couple of months. So that you understand the basics of grammar vocab, and they are going to be used for the other non-CAT exam also. So CAT verbal section is only RC, reading RC. 2/3 of the paper is going to be RC. Out of 34 questions, 24 questions based on RC. If we have a new pattern, if we have 26 questions, out of 26, 18 questions are based on RC. So 2/3 of the paper is RC. Ignore everything else. Yeah, and this is a typical CAT RC. Okay, this is typical size. These are 500 word cards. The average size of the CAT RC is 500 words. So what you have to do is reading. So the only vaccination which I can recommend you, which will work for the next 3-4 months, is reading. मेरी कोई बात मानने नहीं वाला. I know that nobody is going to follow it. I can give you writing, para jumble, para completion, sentence corrections, grammar, summary based question. Leave everything aside. Even if you touch them in the last 1 month, you can still crack the cutoff. You can still clear the cutoff. आराम से. If you have the habit of reading, सब बंद कर दो. RC सॉल्व करना बंद कर दो. सारा तुक्के मार के अपन RC सॉल्व करते हैं यार. How many of you have solved RC with a gut feeling? I think answer is A or B. Jai Mata Di, answer B. And every time do it wrong, and we'll still do it. On the CAT day also people do that. People are struggling with accuracy in verbal. See, quant section DI you don't do that. We don't do that these things in quant and DI section. Why? Because I can feel answer cannot be A. But my dimag says answer can't be A. But in verbal section we do that. So that's why all these problems come, because we don't have the habit of reading. Guys, books band kar do. CAT ke books band kar do. Open up your novels, magazines, all these things, newspaper, read whatever come to your hand, on phone, wherever you want to read. Fine. Read articles, read Economics Times, read Times of India editorials. ठीक है, रात को स्टोरीज मत पढ़ो हमेशा. बाकी चीज़, you have to improve your reading skills. Speed reading, this, it's all bakwas. Even I made a few videos for speed reading, but all of them are going to be useless. Why? Because speed reading is good for novels. See, speed reading is not good for the CAT exam. And why I need to read again and again is, again, look at the size of the question here now. This is the typical size of the question. It is around 150 word. The question is around 150 words, 125 words. That's the typical CAT ka question. And I hate the most when they add this word in the end, except. I want to make a separate video for that, except. For except mean out of these 4, 3 are correct, 1 is wrong. Now to read every statement do bar. Okay, so this is the main problem area. There are small size question error. For example, this question is very small size. This is only 55 words. So on an average, let's say 100 words. So if there are 5 question average on 1800 questions, so there are 1800 words I have to read. Along with that, I have to read RC, which is 500 words. So approximately we are spending around 1000 words per set of RC. Into 4,000 words I have to read in the CAT exam in half an hour, because I have to do other things as well. So please read. Again comes the main problem. If you move to the para-jumble as well, summary based question as well. Let's take a sample here. This is a summary based question. Again I have to read. So make a habit of reading. Solve questions, solve RC, para-jumble, attend the lectures, but reading. I'm fine with that if you don't solve any question, only read, because reading is more important. Next 3 months you have to put, and it will take you 3 months ka time. When I started newspaper, the front page of Times of India, see, people recommend start from Hindu. Yeah, you can't start from Hindu overnight. Trust me, you can't do that. It's like तुम advanced level quant question कैसे कर लोगे unless you don't know the basics. Start with the front page of any newspaper which is coming to your house. Get used to that. Is you to take, for example, editorial, then you move to editorial in 1 month ka time. Gradually go up. Okay, I'll give a simple example here. I wanted to start gymming at home. So I had a few gym equipment. I have a few dumbbells. So you know what I'm doing for the last 2 days? I'm starting with the 5 kg ka dumbbell. I want to start slow. I don't want to rush. सीधा 20 किलो उठा लूँगा, पेन होगा. अभी भी पेन हो रहा है. I'm still paining from last 2 days. But I don't want to rush. Go slow. 1 month, first page, Times of India. 15 days at least. Once you get used to that, then we upgrade. Are you getting point? सीधा हिंदू मत पकड़ो. मैंने भी किया था. Somebody recommended me Hindu. I did the subscription of Hindu newspaper. कुछ नहीं समझा यार. कुछ समझा नहीं साला. Fine. Times of India. Then editorial. Editorial, it will take you 1 hour ka time to read. With patience, complete 1 hour ka time. It will not test your verbal skills. It will test your patience also. Trust me. Especially for speaking ka column. But now if I read editorial, I can read everything in 20 minutes. So my speed increased by 3 times, not by doing any speed reading techniques, by simply reading. I had a comm skills. I am coming from Punjab. हमारे यहाँ कनाडा बोलते हैं, अमेरिका बोलते हैं, पाक को पार्क बोलते हैं. We don't say park, we say park. चलो पार्क चलिए घूमन. Okay, coming from that mother tongue, it's very difficult for me to improve my comm skills, but I improved. Why? How? Talking. Look at my earlier videos यार. How can he speak? भाई मैं ऐसा ही हूँ. Take it or leave it. Simple. Improve your reading. That's the only vaccination I can recommend you. Trust me, do that for 2-3 months. You will see a change. You will see your accuracy going up. You will see your speed going up. You will see the improvement in your scores also. Okay, this is the first part of the video. I'll be launching more videos for the verbal section, especially because engineers are very much need of verbal section. All right, all the best.